stories. If I did it better, how can you show me? I'm running my life on the track. How can you slow me? Your hate is like a fuel to me. The more you pull it, I turn it to money and words, cause I'm a poet.
I am a migrant at first. I was told I'm such a migrant for reaching foreign heights. That's the temperature of my brain. Living a dystopia. Nobody is stopping you from being a self-responsible to build up your utopia. Dehumanized from having tribal difference between you and I. Who am I to tell you how to feel about my presence? We all kings in Africa, but fighting to be peasants. I'll underline the reasons in a minute for your reference. It's like democracy, but mentally imprisoned. Neo-colonialism is to capitalism, but we eat each other, resorting to cannibalism. This is not the Uhuru that we meant to envision. Past freedom fighters becoming mostly the fighters of freedom. Genocides in every region is a threat to our genome. They don't like our genes, black ladies stretching the denim. Our ancestors were guides, but you say they are demons. I'm dreaming of a day when maybe Africa unites, when you can make it through an alley up in Josie in the night, when Zessa is as lit as knowledge daily giving you the light. I manifest my destiny and speak it every time I write. That's a scary thought unless I arise with the best in me. Your Instagram riches don't affect me. My integrity tells me I should only look to persons that invest in me. A blessing is when the beef with brothers gets a rest in peace. No fighters that swim the Limpopo with Crocs, ducking shots from a rifle, even Popo with the locks on the cuffs. It was tough, but I think we've seen enough of the rough. But I trust the Lord is filling up my cup to be much more. Fingers in the money, may I touch more. I keep moving mountains next, I'm turning them to Rushmore. Socrates to these MCs, trying to mentor plateau, trying to get on radio like Mona Kechi Chateau. Let's make the M's and the O, we one of them. And it's nothing really that could ever get to us. A, that's for artillery, it's right before the K, because C was for the ceiling, yet I gravitate to HI. Swear I've seen the S's, but I've never been to H high. AT or for atom, only if I am the M. Everybody's mentally imprinting on your RAM. Really got the riches you've been hinting on your gram. True stories, if I did it better, how can you show me? I'm running my life on the track, how can you slow me? Your hate is like a fuel to me. The more you pour it, I turn it to money and words, cause I'm a poet. True stories, if I did it better, how can you show me? I'm running my life on the track, how can you slow me? Your hate is like a fuel to me. The more you pour it, I turn it to money and words, cause I'm a poet.
True stories, if I did it better, how can you show me? I'm running my life on the track, how can you slow me? Your hate is like a fuel to me. The more you pour it, I turn it to money and words, cause I'm a poet.